Let me ask you something. Do you want to make more money online? Or maybe even more importantly, do you want more time to do the things you love? Well, who doesn't, right? I mean, more time and more money are what just about everyone dreams of these days. Well, I'm no different. I'm always searching for ways to streamline my online business to get more profits for less effort. And one of the things my experience has taught me is that automation is the key to freeing up your time and getting paid. That's why this recent development has been a game changer for me and can be for you, helping you get more time and money too. I'm talking about automated ads, the ad bot that was engineered to get you more traffic on profitable ads, generating significantly higher profits, all automatically. Your new automated ads, free for a limited time, will be preloaded with banners for the different categories at ClickBank, all pointing to your affiliate links. The adaptive response technology of automated ads adjusts which banners are shown based upon their performance, making your campaigns more and more profitable as time goes on. From your centralized admin panel, you can select your category, size of banner, number of banners to rotate, and that's it. Automated ads does the rest. Never log into a bunch of sites and change out banners. Never worry about which offers are converting or not. Automated ads automatically tests out new popular ClickBank products for you, helping you get more traffic on the most profitable ads, while you barely lift a finger. Yes, automated ads is the brand new cutting-edge marketing weapon engineered for push-button sales for you. But rather than just talk about it, let me show you how fast you can have ads from top-selling ClickBank products on your blogs or websites. After logging in, all I do is decide if I want to make my own banner groups, where I choose what banners I want to show, or select the super easy way of picking a pre-made banner group of top sellers. I just pick my category, choose the size of the banner I want to show, and that's it. I now have code that I can easily add to my site that will rotate the top products in ClickBank, all with my ClickBank affiliate code. The automated ads system will even add new products banners automatically when there's a big new product launch. As you can see, automated ads is a game changer. After all, this revolutionary tool automates your banner advertising, makes affiliate marketing easier, and helps you make more money faster. So while I'm giving it away free right now, I'm absolutely limiting the amount of time I'll be doing that. In fact, I may pull this offer at any time. What you're getting with automated ads today is like a license to print money in the form of big fat affiliate commission checks and sales. And because it's so valuable, I'll soon be charging $47 per month for it. But I'm not if you grab it right now. Getting started with automated ads is easy and free.